Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Kishrawani, Assistant Professor, ABES Engineering College. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn about the control flow in Java. So here we can see that the Java compiler basically execute the code from top to bottom. And the statements in the code that are executed according to the order in which they appear. We can see this practically also. Java provides statements that can be used to control the flow of data. Such statements are called control flow statements. And it is one of the fundamental features of Java, which provides a smooth flow of program. So how we can do this? The first one is the decision making. And in this, we have the if statement, if else statement, and nested if else. We have such statements. Next, we have loop statement for the looping. We have do while loop. We have while loop. We have for loop. We have for each loop. This is the new version which you cannot see in the C programming. If you have studied about C programming, then this is the new concept introduced in the Java, that is for each loop. We have the jump statements, like we have break and quantity. So let's see it one by one practically how we can implement these concepts. Okay. First, we start with the decision making statement with the if statement. Then we can see the example of switch statement. So suppose we first start with the particular if statement. Now we can do a very simple program like here we have a if statement. Suppose we have here check whether the number is even or odd. It's a very easy program, but how we can implement this in Java? So to take input, first you have to import util package. Here we have imported the util package. Now then next we have to create the object of the scanner class. Now next we have to take the input. Suppose we have declared any variable x, and now we have to take the input. Here we have the object of the scanner class, and this is the type of integer. So we have use next int method here. Now before this, we can also give some message to the user. Now I can see, suppose if you want to check whether it's even or odd, so very easily you can do this in C programming also. But in Java, the task is how you can take input. So this is the way by which you can take input with the help of scanner class. First, we have created the object of the scanner class. And if you have declare integer, so you have to use the method next int. So if you declare any float, then you have to use next float. For double, we have next double. Okay, so this Now you can see I have only one statement, so no curly braces required here. I am going to execute this code. First, it is asking for number. So here I'm 13, the number is odd. So you can see how you can use the if else statement. Okay. Next, if you want to use the switch case, how you can do this? Let's see. So here we have the switch. In place of key, I suppose pass x, and in value suppose I pass 1. And here I print a message. To the press 1. Okay, this is first case. Suppose if I declare another case, in this case I'm going to use case 2, and the message here is user press 2. And next last one is the default, and in default, suppose I write here invalid. Execute this code. So first I enter 1. So here the case 1 is executed here. Okay. I'm now going to execute it again. And this time I'm going to press 6. So invalid option. So this is switch case. Now next move on to the for statement. For I equal to 0, I less than x. So you have entered the value of x, and on the basis of x, here we will execute for loop. Now if I execute this, so suppose I have entered here 4. So now you can see what is the output. The output is 0, 1, 2, 3, because here you can see I have written as I less than x. So here it will print 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is for statement. Now you can also use for each statement and while and do while. Okay. So first I will use while x less than 5. Okay. Here I enter number 1. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 is printed, because for 4, that means for the value of 5, it will not executed here because it will false. Okay. Now the same we can also do with the do while. In place of condition here, I will written x less than 10, and here it will print it. The basic difference is that first the condition checked in while loop, but in do while, once this is executed, then it will check for the condition So at least do while execute for the one time. So here I have entered number 5. So you can see that we have the output as 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now for each we need an array. Okay. So we will discuss the concept of for each when we study the concept of array. And in the next lecture, we are going to study about the array, how we declare array, and how many types of array we can have. We have single dimension array, we have multi-dimension array. So in that particular video, we also cover for each loop because we need a particular array for printing the value of array with the help of for each. Okay. Thank you. So in next video, we are going to cover the concept of array.